Hey YouTube, here's a really quick tip on how to increase the efficiency of your air conditioner's filtration. Now if you have a cheap fake wood door like I do on the closet for your air handler, if you open it up you'll see that it kind of collects dust. Well, if you grab one of these slim air conditioner filters, you should measure it first. I forgot to do that. Measure this size, but this still works. Just slide this in here. And this filters the air before it even gets to the main filter of your air handler. These don't have to be replaced as often, and it doesn't put extra strain on your air handler because there's still air that comes through. But trust me, after a few months, this will start to collect some dust and debris in addition to the main filter. So this has always worked for me. I hope it works for you. Please like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.